Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of angel number 77. If you've been seeing this number frequently, you're in for a treat. We'll explore its deep numerological insights and spiritual meanings. Let's get started. Angel numbers are sequences of numbers that carry divine messages from the universe or your guardian angels. Angel number 77 is particularly special because it's a master number, symbolizing higher spiritual insights and profound personal growth. In numerology, the number 7 is associated with spirituality, intuition, and inner wisdom. When you see it doubled as 77, these attributes are amplified. It's a powerful sign that you're on the right path to spiritual awakening and enlightenment. Angel number 77 is a beacon for those seeking spiritual growth. It encourages you to trust your inner voice and tap into your intuitive abilities. It's a reminder to embrace your spiritual journey, even if it feels challenging at times. So, what messages does angel number 77 bring? It often signifies that you're aligned with your spiritual path. It's a nudge from the universe to trust your instincts and stay true to your spiritual goals. For example, if you're facing a tough decision, seeing 77 might be a sign to follow your intuition. Angel number 77 impacts various aspects of your life. In love and relationships, it encourages deep connections and trust. It reminds you to be honest and open with your partner. In your career, it guides you towards roles and opportunities that resonate with your higher purpose. Success comes when you align your career with your spiritual values. How can you practically apply the energy of angel number 77? Start by paying attention to where and when you see this number. Use it as a cue to meditate, journal, or practice mindfulness. These activities help you connect with your inner wisdom and embrace the guidance of 77. We'd love to hear your stories about angel number 77. Share your experiences in the comments below. Many people have found this number to be a powerful guide during pivotal moments in their lives. Your story could inspire others on their journey. Let's recap what we've learned about angel number 77. It's a potent symbol of spiritual growth, encouraging you to trust your intuition and align with your higher purpose. Reflect on how this number appears in your life and what it's guiding you towards. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into angel numbers and spiritual guidance. Check out our other videos on angel numbers to continue your spiritual exploration. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.